This next song is the first song we ever released. It's called Appalachian Spine. Making my way down the Appalachian Spine, I see the remnants of a half-forgotten time. Barns and bones and cigarettes line the way, and tractor tires strewn along the road. The railway veins carve the lonesome cliff sides, and river mumbles sound like tired moans and sighs. I see the iron ribs and the rotting wooden bones of old coal towns too long left alone. Ain't it such a shame to see the land I love out rusting in the rain? Suffer not this strife. Now sing the stones that breathe these mountains back to life. Like a needle into skin, and corporate windows block more light than they let in. Well, as the mountaintops are slowly worn away, you know I hear the spirit yearn for yesterday. And it's such a shame to see the land I love out rusting in the rain. Suffer not this strife. Now sing the stones that breathe these mountains back to life. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, long ago say a man took on machine. In old Big Ben tunnel, there is hammers, they still ring. And I know it may seem tall, the task we have at hand, but you know old John Henry, he was just a man. Ain't it such a shame to see the land I love out rusting in the rain? Suffer not this strife. Now sing the stones that breathe these mountains back to life. But still I know these mountain people owe the love for things that grow. Turn back the knife, and now sing the stones that breathe these mountains back to life. Dig deep the roots, let's breathe these mountains back to life. Now raise the cry, let's breathe these mountains back to life. Thank you.